IZEA stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. IZEA Worldwide, it's good though, sitting at 275 with 20% increase in price. If I zoom out, you will see that this is actually such a, it just kind of gapped up from my supply zone, right? So what the hell does this mean? Well, it does mean that, let's go weekly chart. We have the lowest mark down here, and what I'm going to say is that this bearish idea still makes sense, even though we bump, like, you know, pumped up and whatever. Double break still will make sense because one break doesn't change much. If I see it actually making sense in a way here, then sell side will still be the answer to me. Again, it's very subjective. There's not such thing as objectivity. I mean, obviously it is, but this is what I'm looking to kind of do myself. But if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5-10K per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Goodbye.